This is cool. Made it to Güembé. Güembé.
So la comida is important.
Yeah, of course.
Before it was all together,
Really?
Before.
That would have been a good deal. Pantano, the swamp. Those are some old ass signs.
This place is old,
I can tell.
This was the best time when I was in high school.
When did it open?
Oh, way before.
They got koi fish. You know koi fish are expensive?
No.
Like, they can be like up to $1,000.
Really?
Yeah. They're very expensive.
We have to find a place that is for the lockers. And we gotta give the security deposit.
Yeah, wow. Oh my god. So it really grew since then. So these are son las piscinas.
Yep.
But not all of them, no?
I don't know.
There's a whole lot of people here. Oh, not really, but...
Monkeys.
Isla de Monos. The Isle of Monkeys. It's gonna fall right off top. Hi, mini golf.
I think so.
Oh, really?
The prom uniform.
Prom uniform. There's a prom uniform?
Yeah, it's different.
Why?
Because it's only the prom who wears that uniform.
Not yet. That's creepy. And windy. Yeah, you gotta put some protection. Oh. We got wet. Just a little bit. Is this supposed to be something?
I guess.
Like mariposas.
There is another one.
Where? Oh, there is another snake. Creepy. Well then, this is leading nowhere. It's just gonna go back to the pools. But that's okay, we can walk around the pools.
We are just walking around this area.
Look at the fishes! All the little fishes. That was cute.
Wow.
You have pictures from that?
Of course.
Have I seen them?
No.
No, you don't want to show me?
Sure.
Oh wow.
Yeah, we came back here.
We did come back here.
There's another road.
Oh, let's go this way. What is here?
Oh, you will get wet. It's under
A waterfall?
the waterfall.
Okay, we'll come back for that anyways.
And what about South America?
They have a South America area.
And what is in South America?
I did not remember, but we'll see it together one day. So this is algo?
I have no idea. Orquideario decían. Orquídea.
I don't know what that means, to be honest.
I don't know either. This one.
Arcadia? Arcadia.
Orquídea.
It's probably Arcadia. That makes sense, actually.
It's beautiful one.
Mariposa. Wow, this place is pretty far, not gonna lie. It's straight up from the entrance. Excuse me, I just keep hiccuping. What did it say? Puxe? What does that mean?
Es en otro idioma, maybe French.
Puxe. Oh my god, there's straight up birds, like right in the open. Yo, that's cool. What? Can we...
Look at that one.
Oh, it's an iguana. Can we say hi to this guy? Of course, don't touch him. Oh, oh, hello, pretty. Oh, oh, what was that? It's like a dinosaur.
Here, down there is an area.
Oh.
Here is another one. so funny how these guys learn how to say dame la patita.
Yeah?
Yeah. Someone can say dame la patita. Dame la patita.
There's a long fall from here. Oh, he dropped a lot of food. Wow. I don't want to touch him though.
There's another one. This one is coming.
Wow, look at the sky. It looks so real. Okay, let me take a picture of you. You look so cute. Oi, yay. Okay.
Está bravo.
Yeah. He's got nothing of shit. Someone's taking a nap. Nappy time. It's a turtle. Oh, there's a bunch of turtles.
Están con números.
Yeah, all of them have numbers. Oh, and he has one in his arm.
But where is it?
You see the one in his arm?
Look at it. Look at this. We are in September. Only feel one. Not much.
Smells like a... I don't know what the hell it smells like. Oh, thanks, love. No hay mariposas? There's no butterflies. We came at a bad time. No, it's not the season. But, you know, it's still cool. It's a cool little exhibit.
I don't like this.
Little parrots, you hate it? Yeah.
Small.
It's a very small one for them.
Especially that one.
What? Why is he stuck in a little cage? It's a monkey. There are two. Oh.
La jungla.
Jungla. The jungle. Look at the little monkey.
Hello, friend.
Look at the little cage we have to be in. Others don't harass your ass.
What are you eating?
Hey, buddy.
What are you eating? You busy?
He's busy. Busy like a monkey. They just keep eating and munching. You don't want to get pooped on, babe? You sure? It could be an experience. Oh look, babe, there's a graduating class over there.
For the beef.
Meliponario. Oh, okay. Bees. We're gonna go eat. We're gonna go eat. we'll go to the pools after.
So sweet. Oh, it's so yummy. I know you like that.
Okay, we just finished our time in Güembé. Güembé, right?
Yep. We ate there.
We ate the dirt. It was very windy today, so the dirt went through.
The water was
Icy cold. We spent like a good 3 hours kind of just chilling at the pool, right? Was it 3 hours, I think? 2.5. So we tried what, 3-4 times to get in the water for the past 2.5 hours, 3 hours, and we could not do it. So it was too icy cold. I don't know how you Bolivians do it. I mean, you're Bolivian, but you've been Americanized already. I don't know how you Bolivians can do it. But that's it. We're done. Now let's go home. Yay.